Escape to a place of quiet luxury. Reconnect with yourself. Enjoy the here and now. Discover nature at your own pace. Wander forest. Take a road trip. Cross the country in 3 hours. Rest in nature with hundreds of rural stays to choose from. Bathe in forest beauty. Go on a quiet adventure. Visit UNESCO-listed sites. Go bird watching in autumn and spring, or take a plunge even in winter. Get a bird's eye view. Paddle peaceful rivers. Make memories. Enjoy the silence. Find your quiet luxury at Lithuania.travel.